If you want to log someone out of Yahoo Mail, the good news is that you can do it from your account settings in just a few steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest and easiest way to sign out of all other sessions. So, if your account is open on another device, browser, or location, you can quickly remove that access. This is useful if you've signed in on a shared computer, if you think someone else is still using your mailbox, or if you simply want to make sure only you are signed in. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides and tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to protect. Once Yahoo Mail loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This is where Yahoo keeps the account and security options for your mailbox. After clicking the profile icon, a menu or account panel should appear. From there, click Manage Your Account. This will take you into your Yahoo account settings, where you can control security, login activity, and connected sessions. Next, look for the security section and click it. Yahoo places sign-in and access controls here, so this is the area we need to use to manage active sessions. Inside security, find the recent activity option and click that. This section shows account login activity and can help you review where your account has been used. Now look for the option that says sign out of all other sessions. This is the key step. When you click it, Yahoo will sign your account out everywhere else except the device you are currently using. That means if someone else is logged into your Yahoo Mail on another phone, tablet, laptop, or browser, their session will be ended. If Yahoo asks you to confirm the action, go ahead and approve it. After that, wait a moment for the change to take effect. At this point, the other sessions should be removed, and your account will stay signed in only on your current device. If you want extra peace of mind, you can also review your recent activity again and make sure there aren't any unfamiliar logins. And if you think someone may have had access to your account, it's a smart idea to also change your password right after signing out of other sessions. That adds another layer of security and helps prevent anyone from signing back in without your permission. So to quickly recap, open Yahoo Mail, click your profile icon, go to Manage Your Account, open Security, select Recent Activity, and then click Sign out of all other sessions. That's the fastest way to log someone out of Yahoo Mail and secure your account again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.